sithe sabhizi nalokho ngase ngi-approach-wa ke uMseleku besibonana-ke vele uMseleku ngoba phela ikhampani senze naye abese sabonana noMseleku abese ethi uMseleku yazi Musa ngine-project la that I've been trying ukuyenza for 5 years but ayifuni ukungena lapha kule nto ku-TV sengakhuluma ngisho nobasetsane nobani athi mina yazi-ke brazo bize umuntu mengabe emdala kodwa engekangizali ngiyaye ngithi brazo yeah ngithi brazo yazi into ezongishaya la mina ngazi into yaka-music into ehlala ne-radio i-TV angikho aware ngoba i-theatre kuphela yabo ayesethi yena hayi Musa ngibona umsebenzi owenzayo kulama campaign ngibona umsebenzi owenzayo kunkosikazi uMakhumalo ngiyakholelwa ngoba ngiyakubona ukuthi umuntu onjani ngiyakholelwa ukuthi lento ungayenza ngithi mina akunankinga ngingayizama but mangabe uzoprovide ama-resources athi no whatever efunakalayo edinga imali ngizoyiprovide ngithi mina hayi akunankinga then I approach umngani wami naye sasiwabangane ngento ye-industry namanje sabangane uGumede kuphi ecollege side EFT yes i-TVET nje asithi ya madoda phela thina sasho standard mfowethu awasisho ama-grade yabo so ngi-approach uGumede mfethu manga-approach uGumede athi I know yazi Musa ngiyayizwa into yakho ayinankinga mfowethu kulungile kuzozwa ngawo Musa ungibiza i-reason edathi ngibiza uGumede had a relationship noma a connection to i-Mnet yes because kunemsebenzi ebeke ayenze emhlanganisa ne-Mnet yes so I know ukuthi if senze into kufanele iyongena laphana kuzoba lula ukulandela ama-channels afanele ifike ngesikhathi yes so ayike from there kube ukuthi ke siyaqala ke sibe ne-meeting yokuqala neyesibili e-meetingini yethu yokuqala neyesibili uMseleku wathi into ayisho wathi bafowethu if ningenzela lento iphumelela impilo zenu zizoshintsha and la ngifuna ukuqala ikhampani nabameli bami masiqala nje ngizoba busy siba lento senze isikhampani igama la i-Thanks Ma kule company bafowethu lo msebenzi manje wenzile sawenza wawungena ku-TV kule company because izoba i-production company nizo-owner o2% kuyona siyikhulumi-ke imali sikayikhulumi ngoba soyikhuluma imali mase kufika into ye-budget hayi-ke then enye challenge umamkhulu umacela akayifuni ukuthi ayibone.
Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to UMusa Mseleku. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much, you guys. So ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ukulike, ukushare, ukubuka ama-advert and yeah, mina ngisabonga kakhulu for all those who do. Siyakhula kancane and thank you very much, you guys, for love and support. So on this particular video, sikhulumeni ngobaba uMusa Mseleku. I've been watching ama clips and the videos maybe of my colleagues, you know, they're talking about a particular man who was on a particular podcast ekhuluma ngokuthi ubaba uMusa Mseleku wamsebenzisa uyamkolota into kanjalo wasebenza kanzima lapha nobaba uMusa Mseleku kodwa nje just like that ngathi nje into ayihambanga kahle khuluma nje ngathi the way he worked there azanga athola ke imfanelo zakhe ngendlela kwakumele athole ngakhona lokho ayikuthenjisiwe akazange akuthola. I think these are the videos that I've been seeing when I watched them from ama colleagues wami. So ngasenthola ke lesi story lapha na ka Sunday World bekhuluma ngokuthi a reality TV star ubaba uMusa Mseleku owes former colleagues 200,000 kodwa ngathi bathi colleagues asingazi shuthi bakhona ke ubaba uMusa Mseleku mhlawumbe usebenza nabo ebese bakolota imali ke angabanikezi allegedly because the story is written down. Angazi kuthiwa reality TV star Musa Mseleku owes former colleagues 200,000 rands. Angazi bafethu mhlambe nguye lo yababa ade ngimbona laphana on a particular podcast ekhuluma nje ngendlela aphoxeka ngakhona indlela aphathwa ngakhona ngubaba uMusa Mseleku indlela engalungile when it comes to umsebenzi, right? Ezwakala ngathi uthi hime ngathi but ke wangathola lutho into ezikanjalo guys. So asifundeni la kuthiwa Musa Mseleku is said to be owing two former colleagues who helped him start his TV series ngoba lo yababa bezwakala sithi yimi nje kunama-shows nje akamseleku abakamseleku benjena nje yimi so ukuthi manje bona basemvalela ngaphandle kanjani I understand ukuthi wavalelwa ngaphandle kanjani. Polygamist Musa Mseleku allegedly owes his former colleagues uZakhele Gumede and UMusa Ntsebeshe 200,000 rands. They also allege that he promised them 2% of the ownership when it comes to Mseleku's company. Thanks ma. Now the 200,000 was for their work for helping Mseleku establish his production company Uthando Nesthembu. Now Ntsebeshe exposed Mseleku on Daily Reports platform podcast. I think you're ngibonile uthi I met Musa Mseleku in 2016 in one of the local municipalities. Mseleku was one of the consultants there and he was with his wife Uthobile Mseleku. So now Mseleku approached him about the show idea in 2016. So uthi yena lapha I introduced myself to them and they liked my work. At that time Uthobile was working for one of the radio stations in KZN. I think ngiyakhumbula ukuthi Uthobile bekasebenza lapha kaVuma FM, something like that. Mhlambe ngenye radio station, I do not know. We developed a good relationship so much that I ended up managing her. So Mseleku approached him in the same year again. Wamtshela ukuthi yena Uthando Nesthembu, wamtshela about Uthando Nesthembu idea, but he was struggling to get it off the ground. And he wanted to make a reality show, but he didn't have the right skills to do that. Now as a result he asked me to assist him when it comes to starting Uthando Nesthembu. So he was impressed with my work on Makhumalo and he believed that I could do the same with Uthando Nesthembu. So kushuthi njengoba wayese manager kaMakhumalo Ubaba Mseleku was impressed, wasemqasha ukuthi ndoda woza ngapha sike sibone sike sizame lento yoThando Nesthembu into ikanjalo. In our first meeting Mseleku promised us heaven and earth. He said our lives will never be the same again as long as we help him to start a production company. So now in our first meeting Mseleku promised us heaven and earth. Okay, sorry, sengiphindile. Now the condition was that we'd own 2% shares of that production company. We trusted him and he agreed. And we agreed, sorry. Now, by mid-2016, Ntsebeshe wrote season 1 and made the trailer, Uthando Nesthembu. Okay, so now the first shoot was Macele's birthday at the hotel in Port Shepstone, south of KZN. I then took Macele to the studio for voiceovers. Now, he promised written contracts, okay? Musa Mseleku promised written contracts, 2% shares in the project. Now, by this time, Mseleku has promised us written contracts from his lawyers. These were to detail the terms and conditions of our agreement. Kushoke Ubaba Ntsebeshe. Now, after Macele's birthday, the trailer and season 1 were allegedly sent to Mnet. We sent the trailer and season 1 in October 2016, and in January 2017, we were called for a presentation. So now the Mnet was impressed with our work. I can even recall that in our way back to KZN, Mseleku received a message from Mnet informing us that we've been successful. Now weeks later, Mseleku received another communication. This was informing him that we need to go back to Johannesburg to sign the deal with Mnet. Now once Mnet approved, Mseleku shut them out, signed the deal alone. Manje ke Mnet seke ba-approve and everything else. Ubaba Musa Mseleku waqala ukubavalela ngaphandle, wahamba ke wayosayina i-deal eyedwa, wakhohlwa ke ukuthi usuka kuphi nobani kanjani, wabavalela ngaphandle ke wayosayina i-deal eyi-1. Now that is where problems started. After that invitation, he never spoke about the deal. I'm not sure who he took to sign the deal because he left me and uGumede behind. Now I didn't follow up on this because I knew we already had a deal with him. Now he told Uthando World that Ntsebeshe told Uthando World that initially Mnet approved seasons 1 and no season 2, and Mseleku's company received 25% kuma profits. Now this is because his company was still new and it was not producing the show. However, problems started being alahleka, you guys. sorry, let me go back a little bit lang funde khona uthi Sorry. This is because the company was still new and it was not producing the show. However, problems had already started. From season 1, we could see that we were no longer welcomed. We couldn't quit because we'd invested our time in the project and we've been promised 2% shares. Now, kuthiwa ke uthi yena we had many fights with Mseleku over this matter, but they never received the shares, ama-shares wabo ka-200,000 rands. Uthi we had so many fights with Mseleku because he wanted me to be included as a student, but I refused. I told him that I was the main producer. How can I be the student when I have to be the producer? He also didn't pay us our money, and we didn't receive lawo shares. Usho kubaba Ntsebeshe. uGumede confirmed Ntsebeshe's allegations. What I was there and it's all true. Mseleku exploited us, bakusho bobabili uGumede noNtsebeshe. Now Mseleku was approached on different platforms, including phone calls, text messages mntakabawo, and everything abayizamile and akaphenduli. So what does it mean uma ngabe ubaba Mseleku eziba abantu kusho mhlambe lama allegations ayiqiniso yini, why angafuni ukuresponda naye asho his side of the story? So bebakhala ngokuthi ubaba Mseleku exploited them laphana, wabasebenzisa. Uthe mayibona ke nisesebenze kahle noMakhumalo wam approach phela wathi ndoda iza uzongisiza la ngiqale ke Uthando Nesthembu umesemsizile ke allegedly mase siyasayina amadili neMnet and all seqala kuvalelwa ngaphandle yena ke benoGumede. Mseleku uthe mayibona ke yonke into ngathi siyahamba kanti siyamanage, waqala ke ukuthi abashiye eceleni abatholanga ke nayo le imali yabo, batholanga lawo mashezi lutho ke mntakabawo, sebeqala kumanje ukukhuluma ukuthi hayibo Mseleku phela wasebenzisa waqeda lapho wangasikhokhela. So ilona daba engilibona laphana you guys ngoba UMusa Mseleku kunabantu aqala nabo Uthando Nesthembu wabapromisa ama-promises kodwa wangabanikeza lutho. Into engiyaziyo mina ngalabo abantu abanamabhizinisi imali bayithanda ingena. Ngafuna uqambela manje imali bayifuna ingena, hayi iphuma mntakababa. Kufuneka ukuthi ingene. Uma iphuma ngathi kubuhlungu ndawo thizeni. Understand. This is just me sharing my thoughts and my opinions. Uqala kanjani production nomuntu umsebenzise mase uqala manje ungathi seku right wena soqala ukukhahlela abanye abantu awusabenzi bantu awusabanikezi naloko bathembise khona into kanjalo. And ngiyabona abantu abaningi bekhala ukuthi hayibo manje sisathola ngamali kodwa sisebenzile nje. Into engiyibona ngalabantu abanemali, imali bayifuna igcwale. Kumele igcwale mntaka igcwale ibhaketi ukuthi iphume iye komunye umuntu. Why wena sofuna ukuphungula ibhaketi? Into eyikanjalo. Kodwa ke lo muntu usuke nama rights ukuthi naye athole ama-shares wakhe, athole ikhathi yakhe, something like that. So nala esebenza khona guys, imali nje kufuna ingene nje kumnikazi wecompany, ingene ukuthi iphume ize kuwe wena osebenzile. Hayi mntakabawo kunzima, and I don't understand. So why manje bengasayitholanga ke? It's not like ubaba Mseleku akanayo le 200,000 or something. Akafuni nje ukuthi iphume la ikhona kufanele ukuthi iphume iye kulabo abayideservayo. So angazi mntakabawo sinjalo ke story bathi basetshenziswa ke mntakaba bangatholi imali. Akusho mina ke kusho bona sibhalwe phansi story, mina ukungiyibona nje clip yakhona yalo baba egijima around. So ishuvo la ka comment section, like video, subscribe mntakaba, sizophinda sibonane ku video elandelayo. Bye.